of a generation.
Ugh. Blood? Why is there blood? Ah!
Should I just take it to school in my backpack?
Look.
Then where's the way to school? Or we can go get home. Which would be best?
I need to find somewhere.
Well, don't let it get all messed up, though.
Where am I? Hey, you. Huh?
I don't know.
Ouch. Who flew me off? I did.
Oh, yeah.
What? Bricks can talk? Yes. Of course I can. Of course we can. No, stop getting on us.
I told you yesterday.
I need to. I hear something.
Again, when's that going to be over? No.
Hey,
Not for writing.
chicken.
2 writing.
Ah, where'd you come from?
We're going to have 1 reading.
I'm a chicken. I'm not a chicken. I just get mixed up because I'm looking at one. So, who are you? I'm Steve. Who are you?
Yeah, we'll try to
Jason! Let's go!